Hi friends, this video shows how to format USB flash drive as external storage or removable storage, or how to convert internal shared storage to external storage. Here you can see I have connected this multi-port USB hub to Google TV streamer 4K device using this USB Type-C cable, and here I have connected this power cable to this USB hub in this PD in port. Here you can see the USB flash drive. After this, let me go to TV. In TV, go to settings, select all settings, go to system, go to storage, and here we need to select this SanDisk USB drive 8 GB, that is this USB flash drive. Select it, and here you can see an option to format as a removable storage or external storage. Select this erase and format as a removable storage. So once we format as removable storage, we can copy files, videos and other data to this USB flash drive. That is our advantage. We can also remove USB flash drive from the Google TV streamer 4K device. Let me format. Okay, done, formatted. Let me select OK. Done. See, now you can see that device under removable storage. Earlier it was under device storage. Now this is removable storage. If this is a removable storage, you would be able to browse it. You can open one file manager app. Let me open this Explore app, and here you can see that USB drive SanDisk. Select it, and now you are seeing folders inside that SanDisk USB drive, and we can copy paste files here. We can transfer files. Okay, so we can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.